There, what's your advice for future architects? Like for me, for my batchmate, people who are like learning right now. Another advice for who just came to architecture, maybe first year bachelor or something. You need to develop a passion for learning, for observation, and for upskilling yourself. It is not an, like you already mentioned, it's not go through a lot what you had quoted. So there are multiple failures. The moment you'll see that okay, everything is good, falling in place, the moment everything will go Borodas. So there are failures, there are criticisms, there are, but end of the day you have to keep trying. And if you upskill yourself, if you try to observe trends which are happening in your area or in the field, and try to be at pace with the technology. Everlasting debates about when we were students, like you're now facing about AI, non-AI. We used to face hand drafting or CAD drafting kind of debates, and it just wasted our time. Okay, nothing else. So even if you can visualize everything better, if you start your design using them, and it's nothing different. You cannot expect anyone to create something great by doing hand drafting. But still, we face that debate, and now the same thing is happening with newer technologies. But as professionals, you have to upgrade yourselves. And architecture needs an understanding of many fields: sociology, economics, construction, material. So you have to understand these things as well as the arts part of it. So using those kind of thought processes, you can come up with better solutions. And obviously, people's skill are very important. You have to be very good in convincing your clients. Even if you have great idea, if you're unable to convince it to people, then it may not work. And for the first year, have to continuously look for what is happening in other places, what is happening in, because any university cannot catch up with the pace the industry is changing. Okay, that is so true. That is true for all the universities, not only for our university. But earlier, what was there, that the rate of change was manageable. So the kind of technology that used to develop in 10 years, now that will develop every year. So now the rate of change is extremely high with all the AI tools available in all fields, like not only architecture, medicine, material research. So everywhere we have AI now. So everywhere people will progress at extremely high rate. So being at pace with those things are very important. So probably other than the classroom learning, they'll have to spend lots of time on their own to learn things which are happening around.